All right, so here is matrix multiplication. This is definitely the most difficult version. So you are taking two matrices, A and B, and you're, say, A is a 3 by 2, and B is a 2 by 4. So that's 3 rows, 2 columns, and 2 rows, 3 columns. So in order to be able to multiply, if you look at it, your columns in A have to be equal to your rows in B. And so that's where this down here comes in. It's M by R and R by N, where R has to be the same thing for it to work. Now, if it didn't match, say, say you looked at, well, for instance, this first one, if we try to do B times A, that would be a 2 by 4 and a 3 by 2, which that doesn't match, so that's not possible, okay? So matrix multiplication is complicated in the way that the order does matter, so make sure you're aware. So I'm going to bring you down to where it has these symbols. I know some people may not understand until they see real numbers, but I'm going to try to do my best to explain. So here we have columns, and then we have the rows. So columns are down, rows are across, as they typically are. So the way you do this is you look at whatever number row you're on times the column. Okay, so if this was the first row, it would be A11 times B11. A12 times B21. So that is a little different. So you're going to the right, and then you're going down. So looking at the A, let me erase this, then we could just specifically look at the piece you're given in this definition, the blue and the red. You've got A, I of 1, you're going to multiply it by B1 of J, plus the next piece in the row times the next piece in the column. Continue on to the row of A and the column of B. And that's why they have to have the same matching value, okay? So we're going to get into some examples, those of you that obviously need some connections in order to make sense of it. That's coming right up.